How to contact Buddy.ai support via email. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to figure out how to contact the Buddy.ai support via email, you are in the right place. First things first, open the Buddy.ai app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you do that, you'll need to go ahead and enter your birth year, and then on the next page, go ahead and tap on Contact Support. Once you open up the Support tab, you'll see a support email at the very bottom. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to your email app. Go ahead and create a new email. Enter the email in the text box. Write down your message clearly. You can include helpful details like your device, app versions, or a screenshot if possible. Explain your problem in simple words. Go ahead and write it down in the text box. And once you are done, click on the send button at the top right corner to send in the email. And that's how you contact the Buddy.ai support via email, which is quick and easy once you know where to look. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.